Next, let us see the concept types of working capital. So types of working capital is basically divided into two on basis of value, and the one is on basis of time. So on basis of value, it is further divided into two, that is gross working capital and net working capital. On basis of time also, it is further divided into two, that is permanent working capital and temporary working capital. So on basis of value, first is divided is gross working capital. Gross working capital is nothing but the cash which is coming, or the cash which is there with us. That may be in a form of cash, that may be in a form of inventory, that may be in a form of receivables or debtors which we are having, or the cash which can be the liquidity which can be converted into cash on a immediate basis. This represents the total investment made by the firm in a current asset. Current asset includes cash in hand, cash at bank, money market instrument, investments, amount receivable, debtors. All these are the cash which is inflow, which is there in a hand, or which can be converted into cash on a immediate basis. That is just a inflow. Gross working capital is just a inflow of cash. One is net working capital. What is this net working capital? It is the excess of current asset over current liability. That is the amount of the capital which we have along with a excess capital asset excess with over capital liability. That is inflow as well as the outflow of fund. Inflow of funds as well as outflow of fund. So here it is called as current asset minus current liability. ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಎಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಖರ್ಚಾಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ asset over current liability. Current liability includes amount payable, bank overdraft, customer deposit, dealer's deposit, outstanding expenses and short-term provision. So net working capital is always equal to current asset minus current liability. So on basis of value, it is divided into two, gross working capital and net working capital. Gross working capital is just an inflow of fund, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ amount as well as the amount which can be converted into cash on a immediate basis. That is liquidate which can be converted into a cash on a immediate basis. Net working capital is inclusion of both fund inflow as fund outflow. That is current asset excess over current liability. Net working capital is always is equal to current asset minus current liability. This is related to basis of value. Now let us see on the basis of time. On basis of time also, it is divided into two. One is permanent working capital, another one is temporary working capital. Now what is so permanent working capital? On basis of time, it is further divided into permanent working capital and temporary working capital. Permanent working capital, the capital that is carried by a firm in a normal courses. If you take an example of that pocket money, agar pocket money idu example ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದರೆ permanent capital monthly your parents give you 5,000 rupees as a capital to spend or to spend on your day-to-day expenses. So every month he gives a 5,000, and in that you expense every month around 4,000 rupees. That is, remaining 1,000 is always a permanent. Every month he give 5,000. Every month you try to manage your fund to spend on rupees 4 till 4,000, and remaining that 1,000 is a permanent capital for you. Every ತಿಂಗಳು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, but you think that 1,000 will be remaining for you, remaining with you. On a usual basis, monthly basis, every month you save 1,000. That is permanent working capital. That amount remains permanent. So that is called as capital that is carried by the firm in a normal courses. Normal ಆಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Capital, it is advisable to finance such working capital out of long-term source of finance. It is a working capital needed throughout the year and also for 1 year to another year. So normal ಆಗಿ that much they are saving. So normal that is a permanent working capital. Normally that much is their permanent working capital. Permanent and temporary working capital, if you see through a diagram, on a basis of time, the working capital is divided into two. One is permanent and another one is temporary. Temporary working capital always fluctuate, that is increase in or decrease in the working capital. The permanent may remain same on a normal basis. So these are regarding a types of working capital. So types of working capital, they are divided into 4 on basis of value and on basis of time. On basis of value it is further divided into 2, and on basis of time it is further divided into 2.